Understanding ingredients and how they work with each other or by themselves makes cooking so interesting. Hello and welcome to today's edition of Majid's Kitchen. I'm going to show you my version of salmon cooked in an aromatic coconut milk with some vegetables, and we'll be using a Thai curry paste. I have a video on how to make this, or you can buy a store-bought version. Let's quickly talk about the ingredients. So starting right here, I have chopped lemongrass, about a teaspoon of chopped galangal, which is an aromatic ginger. If you don't have it, feel free to use regular ginger. 2 chopped garlic cloves, a teaspoon of brown sugar or palm sugar, some Thai chili paste. I'm using about a spoon of Thai chili paste. I have a video of how to make this too, or feel free to purchase it at your Asian supermarket. There we have a spoon of red Thai curry paste, a teaspoon of fish sauce, a portion of salmon, a quarter onion, red and green peppers that have been cut into a triangle shape, some coconut milk, and I'm using baby bok choy in this as well, and some lime to flavor. When using a Thai chili paste, a lot of these ingredients like garlic, galangal, lemongrass, chilies are all part of the curry paste. So you don't have to have all these ingredients, but if you do have it, you can enhance the flavor of your curry. So with this piece of salmon, I cut it down the center, just there, and I cut it again over here. Now you can use a larger piece or cut them into squares like I'm going to do. So I'll show you this. I've removed the skin already. Okay, so that's one. Here's the other piece. Okay, there's your skin. And I'm going to show you how I did this one. So I cut it down the center just like this. It's still attached here, as you can see. So what I will be doing is just run your knife down and there you have your salmon. So cut this into relatively equal pieces, not too small. Just one clean, good slice. All I'm going to do is season with a little bit of white pepper. Heat up a pan or wok and sear the outside slightly. My wok set on medium high. You're going to add in about a teaspoon of oil. Here is the salmon, and I've just put the white pepper on it, and we're going to give it a sear. Don't have spaces between your fish, you're basically overcrowding your pan. Okay, so it depends on how much fish you're using. If you have to do 2 batches, then simply do 2 batches. So I don't want to cook this too much. I'll just be flipping them over, because once we have them in the coconut milk, they will cook there too. So the idea here is not to have the salmon breaking when you cook the curry. Okay, I'd say that's good. Just keep it aside on the tray. Next, I'm going to add in the curry paste. Next, lemongrass and galangal. The garlic, the cilantro stems or roots if you have roots. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut milk. And we're going to cook it until the oils come out or release. I'm going to add the onions to saute a little with the spices. And the peppers. Okay, at this stage, I'm going to add in the rest of the coconut milk. And bring that to a simmer. Okay, as soon as it begins to cook like this, turn down the heat slightly. And now we're going to add in our chili paste. This is a Thai chili paste. It's not hot, but very aromatic. And this curry is not intended to be spicy at all. The mix of the red curry paste and the Thai chili paste will have a beautiful balance. And now I'm going to place the salmon into the sauce. And we're just going to let it simmer. Now there's a very important ingredient that is used when making certain types of fish curry, and it's tamarind. Okay, I'm using a tamarind puree, and I'll be using about a teaspoonful. If you don't have tamarind, you can add in about a teaspoon and a half of vinegar, but tamarind is going to give it a nice balance of that slight sourness. The next ingredient will be the fish sauce. And now that tamarind. And we'll gently mix it in. Next we add the sugar or the palm sugar if you have it. I'm going in with half first. Check for seasoning. That's amazing. Lastly, if you need to add salt, please go ahead and add a little bit of salt. As you noticed, we had salt from the other ingredients, especially the fish sauce. Now, I'm just going to add in the baby bok choy, optional. And just gently fold it in. Okay friends, our salmon curry is ready. And now for a closer look at what we prepared. That's it for this video, and I hope you like it. You can help the channel by sharing the video, subscribing, and hitting that like button. Thanks for watching.